Hey everyone, Carlos over at bearbootraders.com. Here's my recap for today. I had a green day, but not the cleanest of days. I took some trades that were not as did not turn out to be as I expected them to work out. So we'll go through them. Let's start with semantics. So on this trade, if you look at the 5 minute chart, it started selling off pretty good during the pre-market hours. It just kept continuing selling off, and I was looking for a short or either a long, depending on what the price action did. So as I was watching the 1 minute chart, I saw this, it was just very choppy here. But what I liked is on the 935 candle, we started having this buying pressure coming in. Okay, and then the minute it got to this VWAP, this is when I actually hit my hotkey and I just got filled horribly. I got filled all the way up here at 1833. So that was concerning. And then as it made newer highs, I started taking profits out. And then when it hit this high here, I hit my hotkey several times to try to get it anywhere between here. It just kept bouncing back and filling me in here. So the fills were just not going my way for this move. In one of the fills I did, the triangle actually stayed hollow, went below my entry point, came back up, and then got filled. Then went solid. When I saw that, I said, okay, it's time for me to jump out completely. And then immediately I took the rest out here. Another thing that I could have executed better in this trade is that my size was definitely too heavy for this move. So I got to watch that, make sure I'm managing my risk better. Because if I would have got stuck in this would have been a bigger loss than I would have wanted to take, especially on a Friday going into the weekend. So I don't want to make bad habits, be rewarded for bad habits, on taking larger size than I should have. So should have went with a half position instead of a large position. Then on the next trades, the other two trades didn't really work out as I planned. If we look at the 5 minute chart here on TN DM, this stock was it started losing it on the VWAP, so I thought I was gonna catch a short here, but then what it happened, it just stalled, right? So I went in, it didn't lose it, I took some out, and then I just waited a few minutes, nothing happened, so I took the rest out. I'm glad I did, because this thing just started squeezing everyone up, and it just went past the previous day close. So glad I got out for a small win instead of a small red, or being stopped out. Then the next one was TSRO. Again, another stock where I thought the sell-off was going to happen a lot sooner. So if we look at the 5 minute chart, it lost the VWAP. I went in short, and then immediately I took some profits out. Actually, I took profits out twice here. Let's look at the 1 minute chart, is easier. Okay, so on the 1 minute chart, if you can see here, I waited for this pullback. I went in here right for the short. I took out profits here and then here, because it was just not selling off as fast as I wanted to. Okay, so when that happened, I said, I'm just gonna get out, and glad I did, because I was not going to survive this pullback here. I would have gotten stopped out. Eventually did the move. It sold off. This is what I was expecting. But my entry was not great, so I was not going to survive this pullback. If I would have had an entry maybe up here or somewhere, closer to the moving averages, I could have survived that pullback. So glad I got out for a small win and the end of the day green. Not the best trading day, not the cleanest, but glad to be green, and hopefully everybody else had a good green day and clean as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.